Okay, so first thing we do is we will check our Google contacts and see how many contacts are we having in our account before running a backup. Okay, so I'll go to my Google contacts. You can quick enter the address in a web browser, which is contact.google. Alright, so this is my Google contacts, and I have 72 contacts in the account right now. I have 72. So let's jump to App Store and install this cool app that will help us in the backup process. Mac Backup, or MC Backup, is one word. MC Backup. You see it there? It's the second one on my list. So we hit install. I don't want this app to track my location. Okay, so I'll not allow that. I will allow. So this is it. We hit next, and we accept this one with okay. Alright, so the MC Backup has detected 623 contacts. Okay, navigate to the backup section, which is at the bottom here. Yeah, so we go to backup, then we hit backup now. So you choose the file type you want to save. The one I'll choose is CSV. So it's running. Okay, you skip those ads. Alright, so this is our backups. So we will save it on our files folder. Then you pick any location you want to save it. My own is I'll save it on my iPhone. Enter a name for it. I'll enter backup. Hit done and save. Then we go back to our Google contacts. So we navigate to our menu here and we hit import. We are going to import the CSV file we've just created. So let's just browse the location on our files folder, backup. Alright, so this is it. So importing backup. So our backup is running and it's done. So let's refresh the tab and you see it there. So we've currently modified 695 contacts. So that's how you do it. Subscribe to the channel and follow for more.